Hello, welcome to Maths Physics Digest. We're going to discuss about simultaneous equations, elimination method. Now you have two methods of solving simultaneous equations. You can solve them using elimination method. You can solve them using substitution method. So now we're going to talk about only elimination method in this tutorial. We have two sets of equations here. They say solve the following equations simultaneously. A, y minus 2x equals to minus 2, 2y plus 3x equals to 10. B, 2y plus x equals to 4, 2y plus 2x equals to 16. Alright, now let's dive into it. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to this channel, press the notification button for more videos like this. Alright, the first one, y minus 2x equals to minus 2, 2y plus 3x equals to 10. Now we're going to eliminate one of the variables. We have y and x. So these equations are in two variables, y and x. We're going to choose which variable is going to be more easier for us to eliminate. And in this case, it should be y. Because if we multiply this first equation by 2 and multiply this one by 1, we're going to have the coefficient of this unknown y equal. So this is going to give us, we're going to multiply through this equation with 2. Now 2 times y, 2y. Remember the coefficient of y here initially is 1. So 1 times 2, which is given 2y. Then minus 2 times 2, 4x equals to minus 2 times 2 minus 4. Let's call this equation 1. Now in this equation, 2y times 1, 2y, 3x times 1 plus 3x equals to 10 times 1, 10. So now we draw our division line here. Sorry. Alright. Now we're going to put a negative sign here. So we're subtracting the equations. Now 2y minus 2y, 0. I can write 0 here. I can leave it empty because it's just 0. Alright. Now minus 4x minus 3x minus 7x equals to minus 4 minus 10. So this is going to be minus 14. So you see we have minus 7x equals to minus 14. We can multiply this equation with minus here. So minus times minus plus, we're going to have plus 7x. We don't need to write the plus here, just plus, right? So 7x equals to minus times minus plus equals to 14. Now the coefficient of unknown here, and the unknown here is x. The coefficient is 7. So we are going to divide both sides by 7. We're going to have 14 divided by 7, which is what? 2. Now this is our value of x. Now we can use this value of x and find y. Remember, x equals to 2. So we can use any of the equations. If we use equation 2, now let's say using equation 2. Using equation 2. In equation 2, we have 2y minus 4x equals to minus 4. 2y minus 4x equals to minus 4. So we have x to be 2. So we're going to put the value of x there. 2y minus 4 into 2 equals to minus 4. So now we have only one variable here, so we can find it very easily. 2y minus 4 times 2, 8 equals to minus 4. So 2y, now this minus 8 will cross this sign and becomes positive, right? It's negative 8. After crossing this equal sign to become positive, sorry. So 2y equals to minus 4. Then this one becomes positive, plus 4 plus 8. So 2y equals to minus 4 plus 8, which is positive 4. Now we have coefficient of the unknown here as 2. So we divide both sides with the coefficient of this unknown, which is y equals to 4 divided by 2. And we have it as 2. So remember, our value of x is 2, our value of y is 2. Normally you can check the answer by plugging the values of these two unknowns in the original equations you have. Now the original equation we have here, remember, is what? Y minus 2x equals to minus 2. So we can use any of the equations here. Now in this case we are going to take this first equation because it's going to be simpler actually. Y minus 2x equals to minus 2. Y minus 2x equals to minus 2. So we put the value for y here, and the value is 2. So 2 minus 2, and what's the value of x? 2 also, right? 2 equals to minus 2. So 2 minus 2 times 2, 4 equals to minus 2. Sorry. Alright, 2 minus 4, which is minus, you are subtracting bigger number from smaller number. Definitely the answer is going to be negative, right? So minus 2 equals to minus 2, and that is actually correct, right? Now the second set of equations are this: 2y plus x equals to 4, and 2y plus 2x equals to 16. Now let's go to that one also. 2y, which is b here, 2y plus x equals to 4, 2y plus x equals to 4, and 2y plus 2x equals to 16. 2y plus 2x equals to 16. Very good. Now we can just eliminate easily because we already have the equation of this one to be the same, right? We don't need to multiply any of the equations with anything so as to make the equations equal, because they're already equal from the question. So we just draw our division line here and then put our subtraction sign here, because we're subtracting, because we're eliminating this unknown y, right? So 2y minus 2y, 0. I can leave it empty, I can write 0, but let's leave it empty here. Then x minus 2x, x minus 2. You see, we are subtracting bigger number from smaller number, so it's going to be negative. So minus x equals to 4 minus 16. Again here we are subtracting 16 from 4, and 16 is bigger. Definitely the answer is going to be negative. 4 minus 16 minus 12. So we multiply this equation by minus, and then the minus cancel out. Minus times minus, positive plus. So x equals to 12. You see, very easy. Since we now have our value of x, we can put it in any of this equation. We can call this one 1, this one 2. So we can call this one equation 3. So you can say put equation 3 in any of the equations we choose. Now let's just choose one. Put equation 3 in equation 1 and obtain the following. All right. Now equation 1 is 2y plus x equals to 4, and our x is 12, right? So we're going to put the value of x there. 2y plus 12 equals to 4. Now let's collect like terms, right? 2y, this positive 12 will cross this equal sign and becomes negative 12, right? So equal 4, then minus 12, because it crossed the equal sign here and then becomes negative. So 2y equals to 4 minus 12 is what? It's 8, right? Minus 8, sorry. So minus 8. Now divide by the coefficient of this y. We have y equals to minus 8 over 2, and that gives our y equals to minus 4. Alright, in this case also we can still check as we did the other one. We have x equals to 12, y equals to minus 4. Now let's take equation 1 again and then impute the values of the unknown. That's what we are going to get. Equation 1 says 2y plus x equals to 4. Now our y is minus 4, so 2 into negative 4, then plus our x is 12 equals to 4. Right, sorry, let's finish it here. 2 into negative 4, negative 8, and then plus 12 equals to 4. So now we have negative 8 and then positive 12. So the positive value is bigger than the negative value, right? So the answer is going to be positive, definitely. Negative 8 plus 12 is going to give us 4 equals to 4. So this is verified. You can say check, and you're done. So this is elimination method. Now in our next video we're going to discuss about substitution method, which is also pretty simple. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, press the notification button, and then wait for our next video. See you. Bye.